Oh, what do we have here? When the neighborhood outnumbers the police.
Police are called to a fight involving a gun being drawn on one party. They don't find any evidence of a gun or further physical altercation and make no arrests. But police are then called a second time in reference to fighting happening again, which is the footage you are about to watch.
They already left now.
Okay.
The other two females that got left, they're in apartment one. They got in a fight out here. There's a lady with the dread somewhere down there with the white shirt.
Okay.
That was implicated in the fight.
Is this from the same as before?
Yeah. Same case number where the gun was involved.
Yeah.
But I don't know if she's gonna come back now. But she definitely lives in an apartment. But they left in another car.
So the lady right down there in white and gray shorts?
Yeah, black shorts.
Okay. You just told me what's going on.
Again?
I don't know. I wasn't here the first time.
I just told the officers that just left, I said, don't f with me when y'all leave. I was down there, minding my business, having a conversation with some females. All I know is the car just sped in or whatever. They jumped out on me. They were like, what's up, what's up? So I'm by myself, so I told them what's up. They jumped out on me. Then you got this little female, you got that female down there. She instigated every damn thing.
But she didn't actually, she just verbally instigated them? She didn't actually jump in on it?
No, she didn't jump in, but she probably basically told them where I was going.
Where do you live at?
I don't stay over here, so I'm visiting.
What can we do to prevent this from escalating? Because I don't
Shit, make her ass leave.
want them to come back and shoot you, jump out with a knife.
I don't know. They stay over here. They stay over here.
I really don't want this to escalate into some kind of violence. More violence than it already has. Do you want to press charges?
No.
Do you want to press charges for these females attacking you? If you're wanting to press charges, I mean, you can write a statement. We could try and identify who these people are.
You better not do that. The whole neighborhood gonna be talking about you.
They seem like they stay here, so somebody should know who they are. We'll track them down eventually. Doesn't mean that they're going to go to jail tonight, but eventually they'll have to answer for what happened. But it's up to you.
I don't know. I just told them. I said when y'all leave, the police they gonna keep with me.
Is there anywhere? Can we give you a ride somewhere? Or is there somewhere else you can go for the time being to prevent this from escalating until?
Yeah, I can go to my grandma's house.
Okay.
Yeah.
Can you get over there?
She stay down the street.
Do you have a car? Do you have
See
a way
that
to
right
get
there? They right there. They right there in that brick. Bro, they keep with you, bro.
Do you want to leave, or do you want to press charges? What do you want?
They need to just stop with me, sir.
All right, so you want to trespass her from the property since she doesn't live here? If she's not willing to leave on her own?
Let's ask her first, and then that's going to determine my decision.
Can you come back over here? Okay. Can you leave to de-escalate the situation, please?
Why do I gotta leave?
Because you don't live here. Because if you're not going to willingly leave on your own, then he's going to have to trespass you. Because this is going to keep happening. I know you want to be here with your friends. Maybe you can meet up somewhere else or do it on another day or something like that. If you get trespassed, you're not going to be able to come back here for a whole year. And you'll be subject to arrest. Do you have a way to leave here?
How far is your grandmother?
Like
Man, police, just take her. Just take her to her grandma's house, man.
a couple blocks, like down the light, on the street.
I would just take the ride home, call it a day.
All right, let's go do that.
Because if we keep coming out here, someone's going to go to jail.
Or somebody's going to get hurt before we get here.
Look, if you do that shit, you might as well not show back up to these apartments. I'm just telling you, this the hood. You know what I'm saying? You got to pick a side. And you ride in the back of a cop car, they go, oh shit, she the police, girl.
Somebody gets shot over some.
Yeah, I don't need another case on my hand either.
Can he just give you a ride to your grandma's house since she lives right around the corner?
Yeah.
Maybe you can meet up with your friends somewhere else.
Yeah.
Okay, do that. So that way. Thank you, officers. I'm sorry again.
No, you're good.
All right, listen. You got two options. Either you leave, he's gonna give you a ride, or you're gonna be
My mom is coming to pick me up.
Well, how long is it gonna be?
I don't know. She's coming.
All right, call your mom, forget a time frame for us, because we're not gonna stay here forever.
20 minutes. 20 minutes.
How you know it's 20 minutes? You just say you don't know. Call your mom to get a time frame for us. You're gonna be trespassed.
I did.
I low-key think she beefing with somebody and she waiting for the police to leave so she can get active.
I need a lieutenant. Give me the lieutenant name and number.
You're not getting a lieutenant because she's the problem. And
You are definitely the problem.
she doesn't live here. Listen, you can go wait for your mom right out front or just trying to get the right food security.
Happened to her while she's standing out
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, that officer do want to get her fucked up. Look.
You're gonna wait until your mom pick you up then, and if your mom don't pick you up after 20 minutes, then you're gonna be trespassed.
Well, we don't know what's gonna happen on the road. It might be an accident her mama stuck in.
And this is why I love black women.
She refuses to leave. Are you willing to press charges?
She said she's getting her stuff. That's where you until she gets her stuff. Listen, we're gonna fill out the copy of the trespass. If I know if you come back, you'll be subject to arrest. Trespass after the warning, okay?
She don't be gone in 20 minutes, then she gotta get a trespass.
I just want her to understand that. She don't want a copy of her trespass. So.
But what if she get a trespass? What you say? Turn your camera back on. Turn that video back on so they can hear everything what they saying on that video.
You want a copy of your trespass?
Nah, she'll be down. Turn y'all video
So
back on.
it's on. So your trespass, you come back here again, you're going to jail.
I don't care.
Okay. All right.
You ain't signed no trespass.
You can't say you don't know.
You don't got to sign anything.
Okay, I'm gonna be back over here tomorrow.
You go to jail.
Yep, you go to jail.
Do they even got her name though?
We'll be here. Then you go to jail.
Hey,
I'm going to get my stuff so I can go.
We already went through that. Your trespass. Go.
Shut the f up.
Are you refusing to leave the property?
Can I go get my stuff?
She's walking back on property. We sent for press charges.
Like, that is so aggravating. Why they keep harassing me? What you doing?
It ain't no men involved, just kids and women.
Ma'am, leave the property. You're on private property.
Bro, they keep f***ing with me. Why is y'all keep f***ing with me, bro? Damn.
Leave the property. You're gonna end up going to jail if you refuse to leave
What the hell? Why he standing like
the property.
that?
Just go outside the gate.
Oh my God, bro. Damn, bro. Damn.
Yeah, cause they tripping. Y'all tripping. Y'all gonna do something to them. Yeah, y'all cops know y'all dead wrong for that. Y'all dead ass wrong.
But she don't stay there, and it's a big commotion. I mean, I get what they saying.
Just give me. Here's your copy of your trespass.
Man, leave me the f*** alone, bro.
Just you get served with a copy.
I don't want it.
You don't want it?
I don't want it.
Okay. You put foot back on that property, I will take you to jail for trespass after warning.
Shut up.
Okay?
Shut up.
All right. So you don't need a copy, that's fine. Let's go. She don't want a copy, that's fine. You put foot back on the property, you'll be subject to arrest.
She did. That's a foot, ain't it?
So trespass is signed. So we told her she put foot back on property, she'll be subject to arrest. So she knows.
We made the terms of it.
Okay. She's fine.
I'm not doing it, bro. I'm not doing it. They keep f***ing with me.
I told you not to come back on property. Come back.
Uh-oh.
Put your hand behind your back.
Why you ain't run? You supposed to run. You just standing there.
Put your hand behind your back. Put your hand behind your back.
Ooh.
Run down, ref. Stop resisting. Stop resisting. Put her in handcuffs.
I have her leg.
No, it's good. Put her in handcuffs. I got it. Yeah, I got it. Put her in handcuffs.
I ain't gonna lie to you. This didn't have to happen like this. This is wild.
Put her in handcuffs. I told you not to come back on property, and you playing games. That makes you double out. Anybody that interfere with our investigation will be going to jail. All right, stay here. Let me go get the car. Stay here. I'll go get a car. Jenny, I want to get my car.
Bro,
Just wait.
come on, bro. You got my arm, man.
She was not on that property. Y'all dead wrong. She was not on property. God, don't worry. We got us a lawsuit. We got us a lawsuit.
Mom, let be quiet, Mom. Please, Mom, be quiet, please.
That was her mama the whole time?
No, she's going to jail or jack, whatever she's going.
Y'all taking her to jail for no reason. Y'all need to go get them people that pulled out that gun on that girl in her damn face. Y'all need to go do that.
Here, load her up. Get her out of here. Stand her up. Get her out of here. You know?
Oh.
Stop resisting. Stop.
What the hell?
Resisting.
This screen nothing but Section 8 and food stamps.
Stop. Stop.
What's wrong with your arm? Relax. What's wrong with your arm? Let's fix the handcuffs. We're gonna fix the handcuffs, okay? Good?
My phone. Got a motherfucking lawsuit because she wasn't on property. He been trying to take her to jail for the
Okay. We will fix it. Let's go. Stop. Stop. What are you doing?
You grabbing me?
Stop. What are you doing?
Bro, let go me.
Relax.
Bro, let me go. Bro, let me go.
We searched them. Let's search them.
Bro, you one man, you cannot search me, bro. You cannot search me.
Stop.
Bro, let me go.
Stop resisting.
Oh,
Stop.
Bro.
I ain't gonna lie, them dykes, they be having like superior man strength. I don't know what it is. It's like they transform.
We're trying. She's starting us. Get in the phone.
Oh damn.
Let's leave her out.
Bro, let me go.
Let's get a revolver. She's kicking. Somebody got me a revolver.
Just get in the car. You keep doing that and you hit one of the officers, you're going to get a charge for hitting the officer.
Well, she already got it. It ain't she gonna get it. She got it already.
Better on the Leo. Just get in the car. Just get in your car. Just sit down.
Let's put a revolver.
Just chill. Just chill.
They about to hog tie you now.
Bro.
Just calm down. Calm down.
Bro, I'm going to jail for no reason, bro. I wasn't even on the property, bro.
We know that.
She stepped the foot back on. Y'all did hear me say when I said it right. Did she just take a step back on the property?
They wanted to do that. Anyway, say look.
Mom, can you come fix my house?
Okay, yeah.
Mom, can you come fix my house? Can you come fix my house?
Let's go.
You gonna carry her? Yeah. If you kick me, it's gonna be an additional charge. It's a felony. Don't do it.
Watch your back.
Get out. Come on,
Bro, what is I'm going to jail for, bro?
Trespass after warning, resisting an officer without violence, probably battery LEO.
Battery on the Leo?
Yeah.
I wasn't even on the property.
Slide her all the way back,
Can I
please.
talk to
Let's
my
go.
mama, bro? Bro, let me talk to my mama, bro.
Nope.
Bro, let me talk
You're
to
going
my
to jail.
mama. Bro, let me talk
Do
to my
not kick your
mama.
legs.
Damn, she tall as hell. Oh. Oh.
All right, let's take her out. Get in the car. Move back.
Come on.
Let's go. Yeah, thank you.
Where the supervisor at? Who the supervisor?
I'm the supervisor right now. What's up?
I always love to see people faces when they be like, I'm the supervisor that you just did all this shit in front of with your stupid ass.
Would you like to speak to the sergeant?
Yes.
No, lieutenant's not gonna come out to the
I
scene.
need to speak to the sergeant. I need his name and the.
Hope y'all ass die. So what I'm getting charged with?
When we get the charging, you'll
But
see
sir,
it.
I told y'all before y'all left they was gonna fuck with me.
You not listening.
I told you that.
You weren't listening.
On me.
When we done with
I
the
was waiting on my stuff to get to my mom car.
when we done with the charging,
That's cap. Because first you said your mom was on the way. It's going to take 20 minutes. Then we find out that your mama was there.
affidavit, you'll see your charges. The thing is, we told you several times. We told you several times to trespass, not to put foot back on property. You didn't. You refused. You showed that you wanted to come back on property and come back on property.
So I can leave. And I told you that. I said they gonna come back. They gonna f me. I even told the security guard, man. It's okay just to pull a gun on somebody, bro. That's crazy.
So we had an altercation. We got what we call a hot call, where we had cops come, lights and sirens, because of firearms being involved in an altercation earlier involving your daughter.
Yeah.
Whether or not, and again, I'm just telling you, this is what we get. This is the information that we are told. We arrive on scene. She's hanging out on her porch. The other party's over there. Everybody's fighting with each other. Then we leave because we think everything is calm and good. Then we receive a phone call back about a huge fight, people yelling and screaming at each other, and now we're at it again. The bottom line is, is for 40 minutes, the officers asked your daughter to leave because they were worried about her
Oh, that was only 10 minutes of it. They asked her to leave for 40 minutes.
safety of being in the complex because of the aggression that was being shown towards her and the aggression she was showing other people. Better to de-escalate the entire situation from the beginning.
She got jumped.
Right, but she was also asked to leave to avoid that type
And
of
you know
situation.
what? Guess what she did? Not to cut you off, but
no, you.
My other cousin, when they first jumped her, she took her to her apartment. The other party drove round there to fight her again. So that was the second fight you were talking about.
Okay.
They're the ones with the gun.
So
and they keep riding past y'all.
But we asked. I went up to your cousin and I asked, "Is there anything that happened? Anything went on?" Nope, no problem.
But
no
course,
issue.
but she don't want to.
I know, but how are we supposed to help any of the situation when we're being told, when we know that's not the truth? So
Right.
I'm going to review the body camera, but just so we're all clear, the law states the minute you are trespassed, whether it be verbally or even given a piece of paper,
you have to get off that property.
have got to get off the property.
And they gave her both.
And that's what she did.
And that's fine.
She was always off the
That's
property.
fine.
So let me
You
tell
can
you, if you got 8 officers telling you to do this, do 8 different things.
I agree with that. There should be one direction. There shouldn't be multiple. So I agree with that. That's 100% accurate. That's better communication, right, between people to have one direction.
I have a question.
Sure.
Because it's little kids live over here. We let the officer know, the taller one, that the girls was right there that had the weapon. They didn't do anything.
And then we got here and everybody told us that nothing happened and there was never a gun and that it was and that it was
y'all supposed to go by the security guard
and
the
that it
person
was
called
okay.
y'all,
So
though.
how am I supposed to prosecute that crime? I can't even
You know
develop
the law better
probable
than me,
cause.
ma'am.
Exactly.
You
That's
know
it.
the law. It's too
You
many
are.
You know the law better than her, but you got all the answers though. Just shut the fuck up then. If you don't know it, I mean that's just my thing.
100% right. I do
you know
know
the law better than me.
So if I have 0 witnesses, I have 0 victims.
But your
and I
witness
have
should be the person that made the phone call, which is the
it's not.
officer.
He's not the victim.
He was the witness.
Okay, a witness of what?
That doesn't see the weapon.
He called the police and said he saw the weapon and the part of that had it. Then that's your witness.
Okay, no, this is not happening. So what do you want me to do? Just take random people to jail without any evidence? Yes, random people to jail. Okay, we're done with this conversation. I'm out. Bye.
Now these type of calls really bring.
Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with all my latest content. Also, don't forget to hit that like, comment, and that share button as well, as it helps the channel out tremendously. And that's it. We out.